How to find birthday settings on Likee app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find birthday settings on Likee app. First thing, go to Likee app and now click these three lines in the top corner and then click on your profile, and here you will find this one, edit. Click on it and then just click birthday, and as you see here you can manage your birthday on Likee app and click save. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and now see you in the next video.